How fast can I find $1,000 in profit doing online arbitrage? This is what we are going to figure out today. No, there's a twist. I'm actually not going to go as fast as I can because I'm going to try to take it a little bit slowly. And what I'm going to use to do this is my target list. If you do not know what my target list is, you can literally subscribe for $1 now. Okay, you can get it for $1. You can try the target list for $1. Just go to this website. Okay, you just go to oalist.com. All right, just go to oalist.com. You can try it for $1. Now, what is the target list? It's a spreadsheet that my VAs make. Okay, my VAs work full time, going through email newsletter, going through Rakuten Hot Deals, going to Top Cashback to see the trending website, to find what sales are going on today and to find as many coupons as they can so it can make all live sourcing easier. All right, this is literally the list. Okay, you can see like I have a ton of deals, and it's also super helpful because you have a ton of deals to refer to when you find a new sales, you want to figure out the sales cycle. We'll talk a little bit more about that if you have the chance today. But yeah, we are going to use this target list that you can receive. You can sign up for just $1. $1 today, okay? And my VAs are going to send this to you every single day at 11 a.m. EST to your email inbox. All right? So it's going to make your live sourcing way easier. And this is what we are going to show you today. This is what I am going to use, right? So we're going to see how fast I can find $1,000 of profit. I'm going to show you every single step that I go through when I'm actually doing some online arbitrage sourcing, right? So let's just start. Once again, if you want to get it, oalist.com, and you can get the target list delivered to you every single day at 11 a.m. Okay, Monday through Sunday, every single day without fault. All right. So let's start. By the way, you want more information? oalist.com. All right, oalist.com, right there. More information, you'll go to this landing page, watch this video, read about it a little bit. You can see a testimonial from my guy Ernie that has been using the target list since day one. And by the way, this is the page. He has been using the targets from day one. And yeah, all right, so let's just start. Let me remove this because this looks weird, but let's just start. All right, let's just start. So here's the deal. So if you do, my team has already started running tactical arbitrage search for the websites that are on tactical arbitrage, right? Whenever a website is on tactical arbitrage, we find the deal, we launch it on tactical arbitrage. So there's a couple of websites that we are going to be able to look into once a lot of the search have been launched for a long time, right? So we may be able to find some interesting products with this. Now, there's a ton of sales that we can look at right now so far. It's 2 p.m. in the US, right? As I'm recording this video, so we have a couple of things to look at. We have up to 60% of clothing, which is the first sale on the target list today. So this is what we're going to look at first. And I want to look at a couple of things, right? I'm going to see, so this sale looks kind of interesting. What I want to see is if there's some sort of Nike sales, if some Nike sales are actually part of the sale, some Nike clothes, I'm sorry. But I'm still going to look at this. I'm not going to look at everything. I'm going to look through everything really fast. This might be interesting, depending on how cheap or how expensive these are. So the yellow, all right, so the yellow and the pink one are actually on sale. Let's try to look at them on Amazon. Let's go straight up to Amazon and let's try Nike NSW sweater. All right, does the sweatpants, are the sweatpants on sale? The sweatpants are at 45, 36, 34.99 for the light bone colorway. So we're going to look at this as well. However, I want to look, yeah, I mean 39 is going to be a little bit high, I'm not going to lie on these. It's not bright gold though. The color that we want is called lightning white, and then we have the pink one. which is playful pink. All right. The pink one is not even on this listing either. So let's just go back. We don't have the two colors that we want, but I'm really interested in actually seeing if this one is the same as this one, right? Yeah, I guess this listing is the same. Yeah, this listing is the same. I want to look at the sweatpants, which are right here. So the light bone colorway might be really interesting because it's really, really cheap. So we can get the light bone colorway at $34.99. At $34.99 is just 2XL though. And then the Nike t-shirts might be decent as well. We have this in size small. Yeah. Let's try to see if we can find the t-shirt. We need a listing with a good sales rank. This might do it. Yeah, let's try to see if we can get the black one in size small. We might be able to make it work. And so you see how fast it was to find something that we might be able to make work. So $25.90, we need to get this at around $12. No, it's at $17.99, but we have a couple of tricks under our sleeves, right? So what I'm going to do, you can get this for free for now. By the way, this is going to be part of a paid. By the time you see this video, it might be, but if you see this video when it's released, it's not going to be the case. So this is the spreadsheet that I use to calculate my cost, to manufacture my margins. If you want to get it now, you can get it for free. You can still get it for free with the link in the description. It's going to be part of, I told you guys, I'm changing a lot of things. This is not going to be free anymore. Pretty soon it's going to be part of a pack of spreadsheets that I use in my Amazon business. Some of them that you have, there are some of them that you haven't seen just yet, right? So you can get it for free for now. And if you're saying this too late, I mean, I'm sorry, you're not going to be able to get this for free anymore, but it's not going to be too expensive, all right? So, or you know what? I'm going to change this today. I'm going to make this spreadsheet. I'll make it $14.99 if you want to get it. If you get it for free before everything is actually dropped, congrats. If not, before everything is changed. If by the time you actually get it, the price has changed, I'm sorry, you need to pay $14.99. So yeah, let's get back to manufacturing our margins. So 1203, $17.99. All right, so what does the cashback looks like? 2%, not too good. Up to 15%, we get 15% on Lancome. We get 8% on online purchases. And we need to see the exclusion. So let's try to figure out which brand does not fall into these. What could stop me from getting cashback? Yeah. So I don't know if we're going to get 8%. I guess we can. So let's use 8% cashback because I'm pretty sure that, you know, another website. Let's look at Coopert. Let's see what Coopert is going to give us on this. Coopert is right here. Coopert is going to give us, yeah, in between 1.5 to 7. I'm pretty sure that we can get 8% on this. So this is what we're going to put right there in the cashback. And I haven't been using Top Cashback for my cashback as much as I used to anymore. I'm using other other cashback extension that I'll talk about in a few. So no, we need to figure out what kind of gift cards we can actually get, how much gift cards we can actually get. So we are not going to get coupons, we're going to get 2% credit card cashback. We're going to get this for $19.99. And then, yeah, we need to figure out the gift cards. We can get some decent gift cards for Macy's. Yeah, literally, this is Macy's right there. We can find some decent gift cards for Macy's. We can get 13%, which is good, all right? So let's add 13% right there. And we're gonna get these at $16.64. Let's double check. And it's actually $17.99, so I made a mistake right there, $17.99. We're gonna get this at $14.97. And so it's going to be profitable. Not hugely, but it is going to be profitable. 4%. Okay, it's not the best, not the best. Can we, oh wait, so the price at 25.90. Can we push the price up actually? Or is everybody selling at 25.60? This guy is moving at 26.56. He has been moving units. This guy probably has been moving at 26.49. I'm pretty sure that you can move this at 26.99. You can probably move this at 26.99, which would be 12%. It's not great, but it's a start. And the price might go back up for Q4. Because to be honest, if you can sell this at 27.99, it might be good. But yeah, so we are almost there. You see, after not even 10 minutes, we are almost there. And we only looked at 3 products. So one thing that you really need to understand is that most of the work that you're going to do is going to be trying to manufacture margins and trying to make the product profitable. Most products are not just profitable, just like that. You need to work for it, right? Which is what we are trying to do right now, right? So you see how much time I actually spent trying to manufacture my margins. So we're going to dive a little bit deeper into that, right? So there's not much more work that we can actually do except if we can find a coupon. In my experience, we are not going to find a coupon for this right here. However, there's other colors of these t-shirts that we can actually get at 18. All right, so at 18, it will bring our price to 14.98. All right. So 14.98, if we want to make it profitable, we need to sell. I mean, if we want to make it at, if we sell at 30, okay, so if we sell, to be honest, if we sell at 29.50, it's looking okay, right? Not the best lead, but it's looking okay. So here's what we are going to do. I'm going to go to the variations. And I'm going to try to figure out which one of these I can sell above 29.50. And it looks like I can actually sell this navy white one in size medium at 30.65, which would actually work for us, right? So hopefully I can get the navy in size medium, which I actually can. And so we get these at 14.98, and so this is going to be profit, all right? It's as easy as, cannot be easier than that. That's profit, that's it, okay? 30.21, okay, it went up to 41 something. And yeah, it's actually moving, so here we go. So it's gonna be $3 profit per unit, so if you wanted to really, and I mean, yeah, you could buy 100 and sit on them and it's going to sell through Q4. Yeah, so easily, like let's just say 100, we can make almost $400 profit if we buy 100 units of this. Will I buy 100 units of this myself? You're not going to move 100 units really, really fast, but that's something that you could maybe do, right? Let me actually look at this. 2.89. So to be honest, I would buy this size. I would buy this size. I would buy this size. And to be honest, your $1,000 of profit can be made just on this listing, just with this one, right? Not just with this product, but by splitting your money in between multiple and extra large. So we have 4 size, we have 5 size because we have the small one. But just, you know, splitting your money in between different variations. That's it. You can make your $1,000 profit just by splitting your inventory in between a lot of these variations that are going to be at least $30, right? There's a few more. Some of them are not selling as fast, but yeah, it's just going to be a matter from here. I mean, that's it. You saw how easy it was for me to actually source these products. From here, it's just going to be this. It's just going to be you actually diving here, looking at what variations are available at this price, and then just buying them. I think I saw the red one, I saw the white one, I saw the Game Royal. This one, for sure, we can buy all of them. We can buy a few of all of them. So that's literally it. That's literally, like, I cannot make it more easier than this for you guys. This is literally, you can make $1,000 right now. I showed you the game plan. No, some people are going to see this video and are actually going to buy these products, are going to buy these, and so it may tank, right? Especially the slowing setting variation. So it's just about going through the variation. And I showed you, if you want to make it a little bit easier, all you have to do is go here, greater than, because we know that if we sell something above $29, it's going to be profitable, right? So anything that sells above $29 is going to be profitable at the price that we get it, right? So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, because we can get this one, 6, 7, 8, 9. The pink one is not there. The black one is 10. All right, so let's just take these 10, right? Let's just take this 10. If we make $4 profit, okay, for every single one of these, if we buy 10 units of each, it's $40 for each, $400. If you buy 25 units of each, you just buy 25 units of each, every single variation. And of course, do not just do that. Look at the variation, look at which variation is actually selling fast, and just focus on the fastest selling. Try to split it a little bit. This is just to give you the game plan, the framework. I'm not giving you the whole game and the leads to buy. Do not go ahead and buy these leads, because it might tank, because a lot of people are going to see this lead without actually sourcing, right? But anything that is Nike, not NSW, is actually usually good, right? So yeah, I mean, that's it. Just split your money in between multiple variations. That's the whole game plan. And I showed you how easy it was, okay? So just get the target list. All right. Just get the target list. Here we go. Get the target list. Go to oalist.com. It's going to bring you to this page. You can sign up for $1 today. I mean, if you cannot make online arbitrage work with this, I don't know what to tell you. It's literally, we did not even have to dive deep, right? If you look at today's date, it's literally the second. Let me make sure that you actually see this. This deal is actually the second deal from today's target list. Because if you look at October 21st, which is today's date, it's the second sale that was on there that I clicked on and that I went through, and I was able to find a profitable product, okay? Without spending a ton of time trying to figure out, oh, okay, which sale is actually going on right now on a website that you can actually work. It's simple. Get the target list, select a website, select a random sale to look at, go through the sale, figure out how you can manufacture your margins, get the spreadsheet to manufacture your cost, to understand how much you're going to pay, what is going to be your cost on the product. That's literally it. Okay, nothing more, nothing less. That's how you make money with online arbitrage. Just get the target list. Once again, oalist.com. Right there. All right. And I don't know why these colors popped up, but I said, you know what? I don't want to figure out how to use the OBS. Like, I have other shit to do. But yeah, oalist.com. That's the best I can help you with your online arbitrage business. Right now, this is what can actually change your online arbitrage business today. Get the target list. I'll see you tomorrow for a new video. Hopefully you take advantage of what I shared with you in this video. You literally have the game plan. You have the game plan right now in front of your eyes on how to actually make money with online arbitrage. Just get the target list. I cannot do anything more for you. It's as easy as that, okay? That's it. You saw it in front of your eyes. 18 minutes, $1,000 in potential profit. That's it. That's literally it. That's the game plan. It's so easy. Making money is easy. It's easy to make money online with online arbitrage. I don't know a business that can do online that is easier than this. That's it. Jump in before it's too late. Get the target list. It starts for $1 today. You can get it for $1 today. You'll start getting it tomorrow if you get it tonight. So yeah, I cannot do anything more for you. All right. I'll see you tomorrow. Thank you for watching.